Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to solve yes, no and not given type of question in IELTS reading module. So let's start with the first question. And here as you can see, the question is attitude towards bilingualism have changed in recent years. So the guys जो कीवर्ड हैं वो हैं attitude, recent years and changed. Now let's see it in passage. And guys, let's start with the beginning of the passage in in paragraph 1 and line 2 and 3. And here writer talk about negative attitude towards speaking two languages. As you can see here, having grown up speaking two or more languages in the past, such children were considered to be at disadvantage compared with their monolingual peers. So here the writer is talking about the negative attitude. And then in line 4 and 7, the writer says that advancement of technology have helped to show the children who speak two or more languages have several clear benefits. Over the past few decades, however, technological advances have allowed researchers to look more deeply at how bilingualism interacts with the changes the cognitive and neurological system, thereby identify several clear benefits of being bilingual. So guys, this means that attitude have changed. So the question will be, the statement will be yes. So guys, जो ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा yes no not given का, वो yes होगा क्योंकि जो उनकी एटीट्यूड है वो चेंज्ड हुआ था टुवर्ड बायलिंगुअलिज्म. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट. बायलिंगुअल people are better than monolingual people at guessing correctly what word are before they are finished. Let's move to the passage. So guys, now let's check the paragraph B. In paragraph B, research have bilingual use one language and other act in the same time and tries long before the children. So guys, paragraph B talk about the use of words. Use of words like activate words, candy and candle as well, such kind of words. And now let's move to the paragraph C. And paragraph C is talk about guessing a word. Like with the help of picture, you have to guess the words. But no, none of them shows any comparison or who is better in guessing correct word. But none of them information is matched with the given statement. So question 33 will be not given. Because the question was asking bilingual people are better than, and this word is used for comparison. Monolingual people at guessing correctly what words are before they are finished. So the question is asking about the comparison, but the both paragraph, one paragraph is talking about use of word and second one is talking about guessing a word, and no one is showing any comparison that who is better at guessing. So the statement would be not given. Now let's move to the third one. So guys, here in question 3, the keywords are consistently faster than, and this word is used for comparison and image. And now let's move to the passage. So guys, in paragraph C, line 2 and 3, writer says a completely opposite things. For instance, knowing more than 2 languages can cause speaker to name picture more slowly. And what the statement was asking? And according to the statement, bilingual people constantly name image faster than monolingual people. So, according to the question, this line directly contradicts with the statement of the question. So, this will be no. This will be no, because the line is saying, for instance, knowing more than one language, it means bilingualism, can cause speaker to name picture more slowly. Okay. And now let's move to the next question. And guys, in this question statement, the keywords are brain process single sound more efficiently and in all situations. The statement is asking about in all situations. Now let's move to the passage. So guys, in para D, writer mentioned in line 2, 3 and 4, when monolingual and bilingual adolescents listen to simple speech sounds without any intervening background noise, they show highly similar brainstem response. So there is proof of one situation when there is no background sound. At the time, the brain processing of both monolingual and bilingual adult is almost same. But the given statement only correct in the presence of background sound, but not in all situations. And what the statement is asking about? And the statement is asking about bilingual people's brain processing single sound more efficiently than monolingual people in all situations. Statement is asking about in all situations, but in passage, the given information is talking about in the situation of background noise. So this statement would be no. And guys, now let's move to the last question. Fewer bilingual people than monolingual people suffer from brain disease in old age. And guys, this word "then" is very important in your IELTS reading module. So the question is asking fewer bilingual people, कुछ ही bilingual people than monolingual people in comparison to monolingual people suffer from brain disease in old age. And now these are the keywords: fewer, than, brain disease and old age. Now let's search it in the passage. So guys, in only para F, the writer is mentioning the word older and talking about some brain disease. And paragraph F is the only place where writer mentioned the old age in terms of issue related to brain disease. But in the whole para and in the whole passage, nowhere writer have mentioned that comparison of monolingual and bilingual people in comparison of old age related to brain disease. So this statement would be not given according to the passage and the paragraph. So guys, this question will be not given. And guys, if you find this video useful, then like, subscribe and share my channel. And if you have any confusion in your mind, then please comment on comment box and I will try my best to clear your every kind of confusion. Thank you guys.